I applied to 33 jobs, 29 rejected me. Within 2 days, most of them were LinkedIn recommended roles, and my resume had over 80% ATS match scores. In this episode, I'll explain why this happened and what I learned that completely changed how I apply. This isn't about complaining, it's about understanding the system. So we stop blaming ourselves. Hi, welcome to episode 3 of AI Job Hunt at 40 Plus. I'm Avinash Mahapatra. In episode 2, I shared how I rebuilt my LinkedIn signal using AI. In episode 3, I want to share something more uncomfortable. What after what happened after I started applying for jobs. I did what most job seekers are advised to do. I applied to jobs recommended by LinkedIn. I matched my resume carefully with the job descriptions. I used ATS tools that showed 80% or higher match scores. Naturally, the expectation was simple. If the match is high, an interview call should come. Instead, something else happened. Within 24 hours, rejection emails started arriving. Unfortunately, we can't move ahead with your application. Okay. And again and again. This is where frustration really begins. Not because of rejection, but because the logic feels broken. The first realization was this LinkedIn job recommendations. They do not mean recruiter intent. They are based on profile similarity and keywords, not on whether someone actually wants to interview you. Many recommended jobs are placeholder roles, resume collection postings, or compliance listing. And fast rejection usually means automation, not human evaluation. The second realization was more subtle. ATS tools measured keyword overlap. They do not measure risk. At 40 plus, recruiters are not just hiring or any skills. A high ATS scores can still mean high perceived onboarding risk. That's why good matches still fail. The third realization was about myself. I was applying from who I used to be, not from where I currently am in this market in a new geography. Higher titles and higher salaries actually increase rejection probability. And this is not about ego, it's about risk. Recruiters hesitate to invest when the learning curve looks high. I came to Canada wherever I saw that higher salary package is being offered and my resume is matching. I applied and ultimately it went through rejection. Every job which showed higher packages, it attracted me to give more time, curate more resume aligned to it. But yes, whatever I do, it the end result was rejection. And actually, I had an emotional consequence. After repeated rejection, something changes. Energy drops, confidence drops. It starts feeling like you are chasing money, and money is running away. This is what most dangerous phase of job hunt is, because panic leads to random applying, and random applying leads to more rejections. I have had some key learning, and I'm resetting the strategy. The key learning for me is this: job search has to be simpler for both the candidate and the recruiter. Clear scope roles, lower risk roles, learning first roles. These don't mean going backwards, they mean building momentum. I'll be showing how I'm redesigning my job search using technology, not by applying more, but by applying smarter, by building a job discovery system that reduces rejection and emotional drain. In the last 15 days, what I actually did created a in the last 15 days what I actually did was I created a tracker of all the jobs that I'm matching and I'm applying and their status. So I told the tool to give me a score and at what score what should be done. So you can see that at the X company at that role, whatever be the remote location, at this score you need referral and then whether you apply or not. So wherever the apply came without referral, I applied there. Wherever the referral came, I did not apply. And then there was straightforward no also, which I did not apply. So these are few companies which I applied, and this is the entire list of application where you see that rejected, rejected, submitted. So this is where my last uh, 15 days went through. It takes a lot of time to curate a, a CV which matches the job. But the challenge is not matching the job CV. The challenge is how do you get a call from what when you're submitted. Here, even if you take time, you use multiple AI tools. I used Gemini, I used ChatGPT, I used various other job scan tool. But the end result was my CV was being or is being rejected. I'm not getting a interview call. But not losing the hope. What I have done is also created a small note, a preview of a book which I am writing, how to handle rejection, especially in this upcoming era of online job search and job hunt. I would request you to go through the book preview and share me your thoughts and review, which will enhance the book, or maybe I'll share the book once it is complete. Share me your ideas. All the details will be there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.